人咧其實做任何嘢或者任何計劃，一定要有 goal。其實嗰個 goal 咧係變相嘅定義嚟嘅。好多人失敗嘅原因咧就係冇目標啊嘛。信仰又點咧？點解好多人渾渾噩噩嘅咧？因為佢哋唔明聖經啊，而聖經係幫佢 define 翻信仰點樣先係親近神，適合3500年裏面任何人都睇到嘅聖經，只係能夠用人之常情嘅 concept 去寫翻俾你睇。
Start with just a single aim, a clear definition to light the holy flame. We take the grandest visions that the Spirit sends and walk the precise steps until the journey ends. Turning God's promises into reality by walking in the truth that sets the captive free. True understanding opens up our eyes to define our faith beneath the open skies. In relationship with God, our hearts align, pursuing life within His grand design.
我通常 define 一樣嘢，俾個 definition 你哋就可以從幾個 definition 當中砌埋一齊做嘅時候呢，就可以孕育咗一個目標喺你哋嘅工作，喺你嘅日常上面，喺你嘅自律同埋性格。所以我講嘅好多真理啊，你要睇到改變咗弟兄姊妹唔單止佢嘅生活習慣，係改變佢哋嘅經歷，改變咗佢同神之間嘅關係㗎嘛。
No longer wander in a shapeless haze. We have a purpose for our earthly days. With wisdom as the map and grace the guide, we step into the future, sanctified.